laundry. Let's look at our laundry schedule. First, we have to get the dirty clothes. Put them in the washer. Measure the soap. Add soap to the washer. Set the timer. Set our visual timer. Then we have to wait at our desk till the timer is done. Then we can dry our clothes. When our visual timer looks like this, our clothes are ready to put in the dryer. First, we have to move the clothes. Set the timer. Set our visual timer. Wait until it's done. Great job. Here we go. First, I have to get the dirty clothes. I'm going to take my clothes and put them in. I have to spread them all over so they don't get bunched up. That's done, so it's in the basket. Measure with the soap. The soap's over here. We have to measure the soap to this line. We have to press the button down and stop when it gets to the line. Then we pour it in. All done adding the soap. Next, we set the timer. First, we have to turn the knob. We have to turn the knob all the way until we see the star. It says regular 10. And we pull it out. I can hear the water. There it is. Now we set our visual timer. We're going to set it for 30 minutes. All done with that. Next, we have to wait until the clothes are done. You have to wait at your desk. Let's go. While you're waiting, you can do a puzzle. Our time is up. Time to put the clothes in the dryer. Our timer looks like this. It means our clothes are ready. We have to move the clothes from the washer to the dryer. Next, we take our washed clothes and put them in the dryer. Then, we have to set the timer. Turn the knob till we get to the star. Then, we press start. We can set our visual timer to 40 minutes. Time to wait at our desk again. We have to wait until our time is up. Then we can get our clothes out.